Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we will be working on Exp25 Access Chapter 4 Cumulative Assessment Form Conference. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assessment without any confusion. If you need any help with blackboards, engage my IT lab assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, midterm exam, final exam, or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and more programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix framework, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today's assessment and go through it step by step. There are total 11 questions of this assessment. Let me zoom this for proper view. Here is the title of assignment. Exp25 Access Chapter 4 Cumulative Assessment Form Conference. Here is a project description. You are helping a small non-profit group organize their National Farm and Agriculture Conference. You will create a form to organize input report to display the finalized schedule and mailing labels. Now we will move to the question number 1. Question number 1 is start access, open and download access file name exp25 access chapter 4 cumulative assessment form. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Save the file to the location where you are storing your files. Basically, in this question, you will have to download this file exp25 access chapter 4 cumulative assessment form from Pearson My IT Lab dashboard. I have already downloaded this file from Pearson My IT Lab dashboard. Here is a file I have already downloaded. Now we will move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is create a form using the form tool based on the presenters table. Change the title in the form header to enter or edit presenters. Basically, in this question, you will have to create a form based on the presenter table. Now you will go to the file. First, we enable the content. Select the presenter table. Then go to the create tab. Then go to the forms group. Then click on forms. The form are created now. Now you will have to change the header of the form is enter or edit presenter. Enter or edit presenters. Question number 2 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 3. Question number 3 is reduce the field value controls width to approximately half their original size to the approximately 3.6 mark on the horizontal ruler. Delete the sub form. Basically, in this question, you will have to reduce the width of this form to approximately 3.6 or your screen size on the horizontal ruler. Then also delete the sub form. Go to the first you will have to right click on this presenters, then go to the design view. Now you will have to set the width of fields half of their original size. In my case, select this field, then click on this to total width of this 20 and 25. Now you will have to select 10 and 5. In my case, as you can see that the half of their width are close on the 10, 10.5. In the question, as you can see that approximately half of their original size. And the next part is delete the subform. Go to the file. This is a subform. Click on this and press the delete button to delete this form. Question number 3 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 4. Question number 4 is sort the records by last name in ascending order. Save the form as edit presenter. Close the form. Basically, in this question, you will have to sort the form data by last name in the ascending order and then save the form. Use this name, edit presenter, and then close the form. Then go to the file. Click on the last name. Right click on the form view. On the last name, you will have to select the ascending order. Then go to the sort and filter group in the home tab. Then click on the ascending order. Save the form as edit presenter, then close the form. Now you will have to save this form. Right click on this presenter, save, then paste this name, edit presenter, then press OK and close this form. Question number 4 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 5. Question number 5 is open the location information form in the layout view. Apply the stacked layout control to the form, save and close the form. Basically, in this question, you will have to open the location information form in the layout view and then apply the stacked layout control to this form. Now go to the file. This is a location information form. There is a location information. Click on this and right click on this to layout view. In the layout view, then apply the stacked layout control to the form. Then you will go to the arrange tab. As you can see that here is a table group. As you can see that this tag, select this and also select this one. Press Ctrl button and select all those, and then again press on stacked to arrange these to arrange this form in proper view. Location ID and their field, capacity and their text field, note and their field, outdoors and refreshment and their fields. As you can see that the form are in the proper view, and also save and close the form. Go to the location information, right click on this, save this form, and then right click and then click on close button to close this. Question number 5 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 6. Question number 6 is create a new report based on the exhibits and presenters query using the report wizard. Select all available fields. Choose to view the data by presenter. Ensure that the first name last name is only a grouping level. Use date as the primary sort field in the ascending order. Accept the default stepped option and change the layout to landscape. Save the report as presenter schedule. Basically, in this question, you will have to create a report wizard. First part is create a new report based on the exhibit and presenter query using the report wizard. Go to the file. Here is a query exhibit with presenter. To open this, then go to the create tab, then go to the report section. As you can see that the report wizard are now available. Click on this report wizard. Select all available fields. Choose to view the data by presenter. Ensure that the first name, last name is only for grouping level. Now you will have to add all the fields. Click on this button. First you will have to click this button. Last name, click this. You will have to add selected all fields. Then click on next button. And the next part is choose to view the data by presenter. Choose data by presenter, this one by presenter, and ensure that the first name and last name is only grouping level. First name and last name are only grouping level. This one, as you can see, that first name and last name are only grouping level. And the next part is use date as the primary sort field in the ascending order. Click on next button. Choose date as the ascending order. Choose date as the primary sort field in the ascending order. Then click on next button, and the next is accept the default stepped option. This is a stepped option already selected, and change the layout to landscape. Now you will have to change the layout to landscape. Click on this button to change the orientation landscape. And the next part is save the report as a presenter schedule. Copy this name, presenter schedule. Now you will have to save this report. Click on next button. In this field you will have to type report name, presenter schedule, then click on finish button to save this report. As you can see that presenter schedule report are now created. Question number 6 are completed. We have now completed 6 questions of this assessment. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises. For a complete course, I have successfully handled courses for the students from Canada, USA, and many other countries. If you need any help with this task, feel free to reach out me. I have handled courses MyLab IT, MyLab Finance, MyLab Accounting, MyLab PowerPoint, MyLab Word, and many more online courses. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.